What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, Steph plays Si Jodi am vivant. Let's get into it. Part 1. Start off with the C major. Si Jodi am vivant. We go to the A minor chord. We got A, E in the left, A, C, E in the right. All right, that together. Then we go into F major chord. We got F and C in the left, F, A, C in the right, F major, to G major, G, D in the left, G, B, D in the right. Back to the F major, to the G major again, and then back to C major. And then G major again to finish off that phrasing. Do it again. Si Jodi am vivant. So there I'm just doing the G major chord inversion. We'll talk about that a little bit later. Back to A minor to end off that one chord or one transition. Go to F major to G major, back to F major to G major, and then to C, finishing it off the phrase. And that is the verse. That's pretty much it. Nothing to it. Part 2, chorus. We're going to start here. C major, map, le, ve, mem. Go to F major, right? F, C in the left. And we have our C, A in the right hand. Then we go into G major. We have G, and then B in the right, D, G in the left. And then we go back to C. Meta genou is the next part. Go back to the F major, right? G major, and then back to C major. Sus 4, a little bit of sus 4 in there. Quitte, voix moins, going from the F to the G, and then to the A minor. Remember, A and E in the left, E and C in the right. And then back down to G, back down to F. Devant nous. And then, Vineta, we're going to go into the D minor, D and G in the right. I'm sorry, D and G in the left. And then we're going to back to G, and then finishing off the phrase with C. That's just half of it. All right, we're going to run that by one more time. Quitte, voix moins. Rive to the G major. Devant, toi, ou. Right? And then to the D minor, to the G major, and then back to C major. Again, if you guys need to redo this all over again, just go back in the video and pick it up again. All right, we're gonna go over it one more time. Si Jodi am vivant, to the A minor, to F, to G, F again, to G, and then back to C, and then G again to finish off the phrase. One more time. Si Jodi am vivant. Mind you, that's just a transition from C to G to A minor, to F, to G, again to F again, to G, and then back to C major. Now for the chorus. F major, to G major, to C again, back to bass. Sus 4 a little bit there. Meta genou, back to F, to G major, then to C major. All right, that's part 2 of that. Last part, quitte, voix moins, to F major, G major, to A minor. Then going back to the line again, G and then F. Vinetab to the D minor, D and G in your left, to G, and then back to C. I'm sorry, that was D and A in your left earlier. Here we go. Quitte, voix moins. Vive to the G major, to A minor, back down to G, back down to F. Going to the D minor now, D and A in your left, and then the G major, finishing it off in C. sus 4. And that's basically the song.
Hey, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. Again, that is my goal for this channel, for you guys to learn these songs in the best way possible. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I have a lot more content and things I want to play around with to come for this channel, so I can build a community and a relationship with you guys, so we can get these songs out there, so we can get our experiences out there as a Haitian American community. I thank you again. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.